I'm sure you've heard the buzz about AI design apps, but what if you could create stunning images in seconds? No skills, no fees, no limits. Welcome to NanoAI Pro. NanoAI Pro is your all-access pass to the world's fastest, easiest, and most powerful AI image creation. No Photoshop, no Illustrator, no fancy skills. Just type what you want, and boom! Studio-quality images in 1 or 2 seconds flat. Want to swap faces, tweak backgrounds, or jump from anime to photorealism? Just say it. In plain English. Forget credits, subscriptions, or hidden fees. With NanoAI Pro, it's unlimited, unrestricted, and always lightning fast. You get Google NanoAI, Gemini Flash, and over 100 premium AI models, Midjourney, DALL, Stable Diffusion, and more, all in one place. Batch create dozens of images, keep characters consistent, and sell everything you make, thanks to the full commercial license. No experience? No problem. Hit the link below, unlock NanoAI Pro, and start creating design magic in just 3 clicks. Don't wait. Level up your creativity now.